Microsoft Windows SharePoint Services is a versatile technology that organizations and business units of all sizes can use to increase the efficiency of business processes and improve team productivity. With tools for collaboration that help people stay connected across organizational and geographic boundaries, Windows SharePoint Services gives people access to the information they need. A familiar web-based interface and a close integration with everyday tools, such as the Microsoft Office system, provide an easy-to-use solution for creating team workspaces to share documents, ideas, and information. Built on Microsoft Windows Server, Windows SharePoint Services also provides a platform for building web-based business applications that can flex and scale easily to meet the changing and growing needs of a business. Robust administrative controls for managing storage and web infrastructure provide a cost-effective way to implement and manage a high-performance collaboration environment. Windows SharePoint Services 3.0 has enhanced the creation, navigation, and management of workspaces with an improved user interface, site creation tools, easy-to-use templates, professional-looking site themes, and the ability to rearrange site navigation from within a browser. Users can create a browser-based workspace and then publish, store, share, and keep track of information, all in one place. A new full-featured blog template is now available in Windows SharePoint Services 3.0. Similar to a newsletter, a blog provides a new method for team communication, enabling members to keep in touch with the latest news, share relevant links, and interact via comments and feedback. Users can easily create, manage, and customize blogs within a SharePoint site. Integration with Microsoft Office Word 2007 provides a rich client editor and the ability to create blog posts offline. Windows SharePoint Services 3.0 also includes a new wiki template. Wikis provide a low-maintenance way to capture community knowledge and can be used for brainstorming ideas, recording internal process information, or gathering data from the field. SharePoint wikis are quick to edit and make it easy for inexperienced authors to contribute. Built-in versioning controls enable you to easily roll back changes if people make mistakes. Windows SharePoint Services makes it easy for users to get up to speed quickly by enabling integration with familiar productivity tools, such as the Microsoft Office system. For example, users can create workspaces, post and edit documents, and view and update calendars on SharePoint sites, all while working within other applications, including Microsoft Office Outlook 2007, Microsoft Office Word 2007, Microsoft Office Excel 2007, and Microsoft Office PowerPoint 2007. Windows SharePoint Services enables multiple content types, such as Word documents, Excel spreadsheets, and PowerPoint presentations, to be created from a single document library. Document properties displayed in SharePoint lists and libraries help make it easier for users to quickly find the files they need. Custom fields can also be set up to further differentiate and label content for improved searches and organization. Native support for RSS feeds has been added to Windows SharePoint Services 3.0. All SharePoint lists are RSS enabled. Team members can be notified instantly when changes are made. New administration features make RSS feed management easy. Improved alerts allow for greater granularity and include more relevant information when site contents are updated. Team members can stay up to date with team calendars and event lists. Windows SharePoint Services includes enhanced calendars with richer calendar views and expanded support for all-day and recurring events. A new Project Tasks list provides lightweight task management features and includes a built-in Gantt chart view to monitor dates and progress of team tasks. Windows SharePoint Services 3.0 improves integration with Microsoft Office Outlook 2007. Users can view their SharePoint site tasks in their Outlook task pane and track all personal and team responsibilities. Other important integration points include synchronization of contacts and calendars, an offline folder view to access documents stored on SharePoint sites, and the ability to drag and drop email attachments directly into a document library. Improvements have also been made to finding and working with others, including an enhanced people picker to surface team members and a smart interface to view identity information. When team members use an instant messaging application that integrates with SharePoint sites, such as Microsoft Office Communicator, they can view each other's presence information on the site, such as who is online or in a meeting. Windows SharePoint Services 3.0 now includes a row of navigation links that appear along the top of each page. Called a breadcrumb bar, the links provide users with quick navigational context and a greater sense of location within a SharePoint site. Further enhancements to the navigation experience include the introduction of a familiar tree view of the site, lists, and libraries, which resembles the Windows Explorer tree control. An improved site-wide search box provides an easier way to locate files and information on a SharePoint site. The search scans for keywords through all site contents, including list items, discussions, tasks, and libraries. Results found within documents stored on the site are also displayed. Integration between Windows SharePoint services and the Microsoft Office system has also been enhanced with version 3.0 to improve access to information. Users can directly interact with information stored on SharePoint sites while working within Microsoft Office system files and programs and without having to manually download content separately. Enable users to collaborate on the go with mobile access, available in Windows SharePoint Services 3.0. SharePoint site libraries and many types of lists can be rendered on mobile devices, providing users access to task lists, blogs, documents, and other information, and includes the ability to receive alerts as lists are created or updated. Windows SharePoint Services also offers extranet support, providing extended access to team members that are outside of the organizational firewall. A SharePoint site can be set up with internal or external access, allowing team members to open content up to business partners and customers.